Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today we'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line finished in deep black pearlescent, featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a remainder of that 3-year manufacturer warranty. Standing for the front is LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side of the vehicle you've got these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space also available, with split folding seats and that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Inside you've got the signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. Towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. And just behind the wheels a full digital display on offer, housing your vital driving information. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including side assist. And to help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. Multiple driver modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below with wireless phone charging and a couple more USB-C ports. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.